Hi, this is Brian LaRose. Welcome to VMworld 2017. Good morning, Wednesday morning here from VMworld 2017 at the Mandalay Bay Resort in Las Vegas, Nevada. Have had a great session so far. I've got some really good interviews lined up today. We're going to learn more about VMware Cloud Foundation. We're going to talk to a couple of folks in the partner channel and some partners as well. So looking forward to a wonderful day here. One day left. A big party tonight with Blink 182, I believe, is going to be playing in concert for all the attendees. So this evening will be a social hour and a lot of fun for our partners and customers here in Las Vegas. So thanks for tuning in for Partner Focus and stay tuned. More exciting things to come today. Here today on Partner Focus, I'm joined by Frank Vigner of the VCF team. And Frank, I've been getting a lot of questions about what's the relationship between VVD and VCF. Can you address that for our partners who are out there questioning, should I go VVD, should I go VCF?
Absolutely. VVD stands for VMware Validated Design. It's actually a set of documentation that really gives you all the design criteria for setting up an infrastructure, and it's a big help that many of our consultants and partners are using to double check that the architectures they plan are really solid and approved by VMware R&D. So it's a big, great tool that you can download for free on the website. Now, VMware Cloud Foundation you can view it as a productized VVD. It's a validated design. It's a design that has been validated by VMware R&D of all the components, but not shipping as documentation, but shipping as a product. So this is how they fit together. And I often, and they actually are tied very closely together. So if you follow VVDs today, it will actually be easier to move to Cloud Foundation later if you happen to be ready at a later stage.
Okay.
And vice versa. I've had one customer here at VMworld who said, I love Cloud Foundation, I really want to do this, but I have this very special use case of very, very high performance LAN storage I need.
Sure.
And you know that Cloud Foundation is vSAN only.
Exactly.
So for that particular case, I could actually point him to a VVD and saying, okay, if you can't use Cloud Foundation for your particular use case at the moment, you should certainly check out the VVD.
Absolutely. So there's the relationship. VVD is sort of the starter kit for Cloud Foundation.
Well, it's as I said, productized. Cloud Foundation is productized VVD.
Right.
If you want to simplify your infrastructure, and for most workloads, you would actually want to start with Cloud Foundation.
Exactly. If you,
VVD is good if you want to double. A few people came and said, "I'm a good vSphere architect. I'm a partner who knows VMware. I want a sparring partner. I want somebody that I can really sort of test my knowledge."
Right.
And this is what VVD is also good for.
Absolutely, absolutely. And the other difference is that Cloud Foundation has all the life cycle that we talked about, right? So that's a huge savings for a partner who wants to really accelerate a data center deployment. Whereas VVD is really not going to accelerate it as much as a VCF.
Well, VVD is helping you a lot with operations and lifecycle because it explains how to do this manually.
Right.
So
it's still manual.
Cloud Foundation is a product that has a user interface where you say patch and it's doing it.
Exactly, exactly. All right, well, hopefully that helps explain the difference between the two. There's a URL that Frank will ask you to visit. I'll put that at the bottom of the video, and you go hit that URL for lots of demonstrations, videos, and documentation on Cloud Foundation. So thanks for joining us here today, Frank, on VMware Partner Focus.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
So Mark, tell us about what people who come to VMworld Barcelona are going to see.
Well guys, what you'll see in Barcelona is identical to what we have here. We've changed things around this year. We have these very immersive booths. So if you look here to my left, we have a retail environment. It looks like a real retail store. We talk about the devices and technology that we help with the retail managers, retail associates. We have an immersive experience of a operating room or a patient room in a hospital where we show the mobility of our technology that doctors use that move from one room to another, one device to another, spend less time with the technology and more time improving the patient experience. On the far right here, we have the public sector area where we're showing the mobility, mobile devices that field workers, field FBI agents, government users can use, as well as educational technology that shows Horizon Workspace ONE and how we're the ability to have an engineering lab in the cloud accessible to students on a variety of devices that they may have at home.
You got the theater as well.
Got a theater here hosted by our solution product teams. They're demonstrating what we do in terms of modernization, digital workspace, the cloud, hybrid cloud technologies, and of course the security technologies, different tracks throughout the day. On the far right in the corner, we've got the individual product demos, so if your customers want to come visit and learn more about NSX, VROP, any of our SPDC products, they can go there and talk to those experts. So kind of a nice end-to-end product technologies all the way to package solutions by industry, so come and join us.
So there you've heard it. Come visit Mark at VMworld Barcelona. Thank you, Mark. Appreciate it. It's time to check out now and head home to our homes. Thanks for joining me for this partner focus segment here at VMworld 2017 in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is Brian LaRose from the Global Partner Enablement Council, also a member of the CTO Ambassadors Program at VMware. It's been my privilege and honor to come to you this week and talk about all of the innovations and the wonderful solutions from VMware and from our partners. So it's been a wonderful week together. Thanks to VMware executives for putting this on, and thanks to you, the partners and customers, for paying attention, for coming. 25,000 visitors this year, the biggest VMworld ever. And thank you online for staying tuned to our segments during the week. So thanks for watching. Have a great week.